Hideout's workshop. This is a typical customer request. He is having some customization, which is the addition of lettering and badges to the jacket, then alterations to the fit of the suit, which include shortening the top leg to bring the knee armour into the correct position. Marie is now starting to prepare the suit. The customer has requested specific lettering, which is printed off the computer and glued onto card to make a template. We can recreate any lettering and artwork. If you have something in mind, email it to us for a quote.
Weep for yourself, my man, you'll never be what is in your heart. Weep, little lion man, you're not as brave as you were at the start.
The leather we use is too thick to be used for lettering, so we thin this down on a scything machine. Using the template she made earlier, Marie will now draw round these onto the leather using a special pen. The thinned leather is now backed with double-sided sticky tape. The tape holds the lettering in place until it is stitched. Using a sharp pair of scissors, the artwork is carefully cut out. The cut pieces of lettering are now put onto a background colour. Lettering always looks best with a backing colour. Once again, we back this with sticky tape to hold it in place until it is stitched. The lettering is then carefully positioned straight onto the suit. The customer wants a badge put onto the front of his suit. We first cover it in clear plastic to keep it clean. We can get individual badges made up to our customer requirements. In order to make the alterations needed, which is to shorten the top leg, we need to unpick the seams of the trousers around the top of the knee. This is Maureen, one of our machinists. She is using a walking foot industrial machine. These make easy work of the leather, but our skilled machinists use their years of experience to make sure all the stitching is precise. Once the suit is unpicked, we measure out the adjustments to cut off the excess leather in order to shorten the top leg. The double-sided sticky tape holds the lettering in place. while Maureen sews it directly onto the suit. The seams are then sewn back together with a double stitch. The trousers will not even look like they've been altered. Now I've got to put the armour back into the jacket. The jacket is now finished.